Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to plant some pomegranates from seed. On November 16th, I had started germinating some seeds from a pomegranate, and I talked about it in my pomegranate propagation video. But anyway, they've finally started to germinate. It's about 13 days since that was started, and all I'm going to do, I just have some cups here with the potting mix, and I'm going to try to take out these individual seeds without destroying the roots. They've kind of come out of their little pod, and I'm just going to make a little hole here. I'm going to put the root down. I'm not going to plant them very deep, and set them in there. And I'm only going to plant 10 of these, so if there's more, the rest just going to miss out on getting that chance to grow. I probably shouldn't cover those up quite yet until I get the one next to it planted. Now when you let them go too awful long, the roots might get through your paper towel and might create a problem, but we'll work them out best we can without messing up the roots. And we can cover up that whole row. Now, the thing I want to stress for those of you that are like me and you want to grow something from seed is that, like a lot of fruit that you grow from seed, the pomegranate will not come back true to the type that you have planted. So you need to know that. I covered that one. We'll just make holes. This will be an easy way to tell. But that shouldn't be any deterrent to cause you to stop and not plant them, because they may not have the exact same flavor as the original. And what I can do is always come back and graft to these. Not that I would. I find anytime you have a graft, there is a possibility that you could have problems. But anyway, it's as simple as that. Put them in here. We'll water them in. Tag them. I use round containers so it make it easy. I can just tag one and I'll know what all of them are right now and see how well they come up. But here we go. Here's the start of it. If you want to follow along, see how these do, well, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified. And if you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Enjoy your gardening.